We're recording Crazy Train as soon as Carmen quits being crazy.
I am crazy.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Around the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3. Up. Up. 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1. Up. 3. Up. 5, 6, 7. Hard hits. Rowboat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straight out. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two-handed heli spin. 1, 2, 3, and down. 5, 6, 7, and down again. 1, 2, 3, and down. 5, 6. Rowboats again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and flat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chasse circles to the front. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't have to be that many. Up, circle, and up. Circle and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. There you go. 3, 2, 3. However many we've done so far, it's supposed to be 6. So 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tuck wraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Top cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top cone, bottom cone. Top. There you go. Top cone, bottom cone. Again. 2, 2. Drop spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Top cone, bottom cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Around the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big finale. Sweep left, right parallel, top parallel, hold 6, right waist parallel, right shoulder.
Yay!
Yeah.